Hey everybody, it's Charlene with Roadrunners, and I am in Leavenworth, Kansas today. Just arrived a few hours ago, and these are my digs for the night. This is the Leavenworth Local Hotel, which is actually a modified or renovated Catholic school that they've made into little, not little apartments, but little hotel rooms. So it's enormously big. I mean, it's just huge. And then here is the nice king bed and wardrobes. So I think I'll be very comfortable here this evening. Looking forward to exploring Leavenworth tomorrow and seeing more of the city. I ate at Tenpenny tonight, which was just down the street and quite good. And of course, the shower. Yay! We love a good shower. So I'll have more to tell you tomorrow once I have a little more info about Leavenworth, Kansas. Hope everybody's having a good night.